Welcome to ASMA 94's Insights on the Configure Price Quote, or CPQ updates available in Zoho CRM. I'm Marshall Knapp, and today I'm pleased to share with you how these enhancements streamline the sales and quoting processes, delivering more consistent results with ease. Now with CPQ's product configurator, you can add multiple products simultaneously. Additionally, CPQ can now check for duplicates within mandatory and suggested products. Guided selling is now available within subforms and custom modules. Additionally, guided selling now supports individual flows for multiple lookup fields within the same subform. Here we are on a quote for our demo company, a bakery, where a customer is particularly interested in some gluten-free items. We've added a couple gluten-free items to the quote, and now Zoho CRM's Configure Price Quote, or CPQ engine, is suggesting some additional gluten-free options we may want to recommend to the customer. From this list, we can choose one or more. In the past, we could only add one selection at a time. In addition, we can now control how duplicates are handled with a new option in the product configurator. In a scenario such as that, with suggested products, duplicates can be filtered out. In another scenario, which we'll look closer at in just a moment, where we have mandatory products, duplicates can be configured to overwrite the current product line item, leaving other user data intact, or skip adding the item via the rule. Here we have the same quote where we've added table clause already per the customer's request, and the customer has also specified their desire for a color here in navy blue. We've inserted a quantity of 10 for the moment, but let's see what happens when we add tables as well, table rentals, to this particular quote. So we add the tables, and let's say they decide they want a quantity here. Instead of 10, let's say they're going to go with 12 tables instead. And then we'll go ahead and save this quote. Because of the product configurator rules we specified, the quantity of table clause is set to match the quantity of table rentals. Additionally, the customer's choice of navy blue is preserved because of the new duplicate checking settings we configured to skip adding the item via the rule. Guided selling now supports custom modules. Here we have an additional lookup within the quotes subform that links to a custom module. Your standard guided selling flows will be available through the button below the subform. Additional guided selling flows available for other lookups will be available through new icons within the subform, such as delivery method here. Further, guided selling can be embedded within subforms inside of custom modules. If you have any questions about the updates to Zoho CRM's Configure Price Quote or CPQ solution, or would like help getting access to these features, please reach out to schedule a free consultation with one of our experts. Please like and subscribe if you're interested in seeing more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our insights.